हेलो यू गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर वीडियो। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अगेन अ मीशो हॉल। अगर आपने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो जाके देखिए। आई हैव डन अ मीशो कुर्ता सेट हॉल एंड टुडे आई हैव 6 amazing aesthetic tops from Meesho for you guys below rupees 300. So yeah, but before that, if you're watching my face for the first time, hi guys, my name is Ritika and I will be making content related to fashion, lifestyle and beauty on this channel. So if you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel below and also hit the notification bell ताकि मैं जब भी new haul video डालूंगी you will get notified. And yeah, let's start the video. All these tops will make you look very elegant and very beautiful. So let's start with the first top which I am wearing. This is a pink, a very pastel pink kind of color, very pretty color. It has got this cut detailing on shoulder which looks so beautiful. You can see in the try on. Now this has got this ribbed material and its neckline स्टिक्स टू योर नेक। तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट नेकलाइन वाले में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते हैं सो यू मस्ट अवॉइड दिस वन। अदरवाइज दिस हैज गॉट सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कलर, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल क्लॉथ, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल पैटर्न एंड अंडर रुपीज 300 दिस is a thumbs up from my side and also it looks so pretty. And the best part of this top is its color. As the another top which I'm gonna share with you is also in a very pretty pastel color. This is such a beautiful green pastel color. It is also in this ribbed material, very soft, very gentle. You can see in the try on part, this looks so pretty. Yeah, it is a crop top, so you can pair it with your blue and black high waist jeans. This looks so pretty. This is how it looks from back and this is the front of the top. This collar detailing is so amazing. This is such a cute aesthetic top. It gives me some Korean vibes as well. So yeah, in try on you can see how it looks on me. So yeah, I absolutely loved this one and I recommend you also to try this once. So guys, the third top which I got for you is also in a very pretty. It is in this brown color. This looks so pretty. Now this brown is in trend since so long. This is such a pretty top. Although I ordered it in full sleeves but I received it in half sleeves. This is also in this ribbed material, very soft material, not the best quality I will say, but yeah, very decent quality. It has also got this collar detailing and this is how it looks in the try on. Very good top for a budget of below 300 rupees. I really liked it. If you like it on me and are looking for something like this, very daily wear, very casual, so you can go ahead with this one. Thumbs up from my side. Now guys, there has to be a black clothing material in my haul videos. So for you I've got this beautiful black colored top. It has got this square neckline and this corset kind of detailing. It is not wired, it just has a corset kind of shape from niche se, and its sleeves are full sleeves. So yeah, this looks so pretty and so beautiful. You can see in the try on part, it looks amazing and it fits me so well. The cloth is very decent, I would say a very good cloth for this price point. So yeah, I absolutely loved this one. Its neckline, its pattern, its comfort, everything is top notch. So if you are interested, you can definitely buy this one. A thumbs up, a very big thumbs up from my side. So guys, the next top I'm going to talk to you about is this very pretty, very chatak pink kind of color. This is how the top looks. Now guys, it has got a very decent length. This is not a crop top, but when you tuck it with your high waist flared jeans, it looks so pretty. You can wear it with white, black or blue, whatever you feel like. This is such a nice color. The material is also very comfortable. It is not ribbed, but it is a very good material, a cotton rayon mix kind of material. It is also stretchable, slightly stretchable. One complaint I have फ्रॉम दिस टॉप एज वेल। इसका भी जो नेकलाइन है वो आपके गले को बहुत ज़्यादा सिंच कर लेगा। सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज़ नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन वेयरिंग अ वेरी टाइट नेकलाइन, so you can skip on this one. Otherwise this is such a pretty top. It looks so aesthetic, so pretty. In such price point you can definitely go ahead with this one.